Okay, so let me reset this. So how do we get the counter to work? That is the question. And the answer is, if we look at a counter here, you need one of these blocks. And you get them right here. It is a numerical under sources. And if you don't have one of those, it will not display, and this float won't change. So this goes from 0 to 10,000. Just set it to 10,000. And then I actually have some timers in mind. So the way the timers work is that these are in milliseconds, so you can go to 10 seconds. And it's pretty simple. This is the elapsed time. This is a timer on delay, so when this turns on, 10 seconds later, my conveyor is going to turn on. This is a timer off delay, so when this start button, since it's non-retentive, you turn it on, it's going to immediately shut off. After 10 seconds, well, sorry, for 10 seconds, you're going to have this alarm and these warning lights are going to run. And then, since this is going to be happening at the same time, our conveyors are going to start. So, why don't we see how that works? And the alarm stops. When our box crosses this threshold, you're going to get this count. And if we hit reset, the count's going to reset. If we hit stop, the conveyor is going to stop. Now, if I hit start again, we're going to get those sirens again for 10 seconds. And it's going to start going again after the 10 seconds. Now, the only thing that I probably could have worked into there, but doesn't really seem entirely necessary, is if you hit stop, I want to start again, then decide to stop, our sirens are going to keep going for the rest of the 10 seconds because it's a timer off delay. And yeah, but the conveyor is not going to move, so nobody's going to get ground up in the factory. Okay.